Hi guys, this is my grandma's garden. It has lots of peppers and some flowers, and they're beautiful that you can even see them. And that's a bhaji and mustard.
Nature's gifts from high to low, caring for the earth we love, with help from the sky above. Pick your veggies, taste the best. Nature gives and never rests.
Plants are okay because they're the ones that they take care of. And
Plant a garden, watch it grow. Nature's gifts from high to low.
look how big the garden got. There's so much bhaji and karala growing. Do you see the baigan? There's some tomatoes back there.
Caring for the earth we love, with help from the sky above.
Now this is my Grammy and Papa's garden. It has lots of baigan like my grandma and Titi's garden, and it has some flowers too. It even has tomatoes like them, and there's a lot of there's tomato. That's my Grammy's hand touching the bhaji.
Help from the sky above.
Those are very peppers. We're so close to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. We're getting a lot of subscribers. If you're watching, please subscribe if you haven't already.